What's up, guys? So we today are going to be making some slime. I'm sorry, I'm paying attention to YouTube. Well, so that's my activator. So first of all, oh, I thought I had a little bit in here, but anyways, it says great for slime. So yeah. Hold on, wait, what? I'm trying to... That's what she looks like there. Pouring some glue in the bowl. I'm not gonna make a lot. Or am I? Maybe I am. That's good enough, isn't it? Okay, so next, should I add activator or shaving cream? Activator, shaving cream. Do I want to make like just a clear slime or do I want to make fluffy slime? I'll start off with activator instead of shaving cream. I don't know why. A few drops of shave. I'm getting mixed up so much. It's activating. I didn't even have a lot of activator. My activator is actually, it's like, not borax, definitely not borax. It's laundry detergent. Because usually I only add glue and laundry detergent and there's a slime. Because, like, when slime first started, like, getting really popular, borax was the thing that you would use until people started getting burnt. So then, like, that was, see, I didn't start making slime till probably 2017. Wasn't it, like, slime popular in 2017? I think it was because a lot of people make it. So I'll just add some shaving cream. I'm not adding a lot because I didn't really want a fluffy slime. This isn't gonna be fluffy because it's just like a normal slime dirt. Sky Jackson. It's so sticky. Or activator. I need activator. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to come back to you because I gotta get this on my... So, guys, I added a little bit of more shaving cream and activator, and this is what the slime turned out like. It's not a big slime at all, though. I'm trying to, like... So, yeah. And that was my slime. So, I hope you enjoyed. And I really did. So, yeah. Like and subscribe and comment down what you want. He won't stop running. And like and subscribe. I'll be right back because I gotta go check on her after. Sorry if she's being really loud. That's my little brother. And I'm going to add some glitter. Let me go. So, guys, I'm going to put in some glitter. Let's go. Sorry, I'm paying attention to my iPad. So, yeah. And my glitter little things are in the way, but I'll show you this. Let's get this up. I'm turning so much. If he comes back. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Don't answer. Talk faster. Leave his number. So, yeah, guys, I hope you like this. What am I doing? So, this is the slime. Bye, guys. I love y'all so much. And like and subscribe. I say that so many times. But yeah, and oh my gosh, is it stuck to me? This is a total fail. The bottom of my face. So bye, guys, and hope you enjoyed this long video, if you're even still here. We're gonna add a little more glitter because it's really ugly, plus I don't want many blue color anymore. I used it all up. Oh, I do have paint. We'll add this color. This color that I found first. Just take the little I seriously don't want to do this. I'm a little scared. I'm not even going to add a lot. Just a little bitty drop. That got everywhere. Why is my camera like that? Why is it not like straight? Like, it's not even better. This is so embarrassing. So yeah. It's like getting all over my hands. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. And subscribe if you like this video. And I hope you have a great day.